In this clip, we're going to talk about how to organize a schedule of events for your convention. And that may sound easy, but that's generally one of the hardest things to do. What you need to do is begin by getting your guests and deciding where they should be appearing throughout your convention. Schedule them first. Put them in key places where you want people to be. Then decide what you want to do around those celebrities. Run movies, have a costume contest, have game shows. Whatever it is, decide what you want to do and begin filling in the blanks. Start perhaps with some of your least important things on Friday, because as I mentioned, Saturday's generally your big day. You want to make that the best day you can make it because that's when most of your attendees are going to be there. So schedule things around your celebrities and then keep them going from the beginning of when you start the convention till the day and the hour that you close it. Keep as many things going as possible. The more things you have going, the more things that people are going to look forward to come back to when you run your second and third event.